everybody, welcome back. So for today's video, oh my god, I'm buzzing. So I am finally getting down to filming this video because like I've just been umming and ahhing whether to film it today or not, and I'm just like, you know what, I cannot contain my excitement. I've got my birthday swap from Malika. We've done a couple of these before, and I promise you, I know I say this all the time, but I promise I will link it in the description down below, the previous ones, because they're some of my favourite videos I've ever done. And her birthday has already been. She's now 21, which is insane. So Malika, I hope you had an amazing birthday. I know she has some really great plans. So yeah, and I've got some of her bits already, and I've just got to get some more, and then I'm giving hers when I see her on the 31st of July. So she sent off my package, and I am just so excited to just get into it. So yeah, if you want to see what Malika very kindly got me in her birthday swap, then carry on watching. I'm so excited. I cannot even. I haven't been watching certain parts of her vlogs because obviously giving it away. Oh my goodness, you've wrapped these so nicely. Like, look at that. So some's got bubble wrap, some's got pink tissue. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Right, I'm going to start with this item. She wraps so well. I cannot wrap to save my life. So yeah, Malika, your stuff won't be as nice. Oh, just look how perfect it looks. So before I fully open this, we did a wish list for each other, so things that we'd really like and stuff like that. So we sort of picked from them. Oh wow, oh my goodness, I love those colours. They're like so metallic and foiled. It's an MUA palette. Does it have a name? 6-shade palette in Rusted Wonders. 6 delectable, soft and silky pearl eyeshadows compiled to complement each other for multi-tonal harmonised finishes. Each shade is highly pigmented and easily blendable for a captivating look. Oh my god, I love eyeshadows, and these look insane. They are all shimmers slash metallics, and oh my god, I haven't tried much of MUA, so I'm so excited to try this. Thank you so much, Malika. Oh my god, eyeshadows are my thing, so you know me too well. Okay, I think I might know what this is. I'm not sure. Oh, you have sealed these. I'm glad I've got a pair of scissors on me. That's all I will say, because Malika seals her gifts so well. Oh no, I don't know what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, you knew. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, so Malika is addicted to baby lips, and she's got a huge collection. Mine isn't as amazing as hers, but she's very kindly got me some more of their lip balms, and I love them so much. I just love Maybelline baby lips. So this one is in Melon Mania, and this one is in Peach Kiss. Oh, look at those. I needed some more for my lipstick holder anyway, because there was a couple of spaces that are free to put ones in. I just didn't get a chance to get any, and they're just so moisturising, and I get really dry lips, and I wear makeup a lot, and I tend to get foundation on my lips obviously, so I take it off with micellar water, but that leaves my lips quite dry, so I tend to grab one of my baby lips and slather it on. But oh my god, this is so exciting. Thank you so much. I know what this is because of the shape. And I asked for this, and I wasn't sure whether she'd get it, because obviously it's a wish list, like obviously you're not going to get everything on it. Oh my god, Millie. Oh, I saw this in Superdrug, and I was like, I need to buy that, and I realised, hang on, I think I asked like Malika for it. Oh, I am so excited. So Revolution have obviously released their like Revolution Pro range, and they've got their Pro single metallic eyeshadows. Oh my god. And these are like the glitter ones, and like, can we just like take a minute to appreciate the glitter? Like, I love glitter. I'm an official glitter addict, hence why I asked for these. And just look at the red. I've always wanted a red glitter, and the pinks and the gold and the I am in love. Thank you so much. I cannot even express to you how much I bloody love this. Flashing at me, so oh my goodness. So I need to quickly sort of like, not quickly get through this, but don't take my time. Another glitter, glitter dust. I don't know, does it have a name? don't think it's a shade name, but this is from the Body Shop, and it's like a really nice goldy sort of colour, and it sort of reminds me of a Revolution one I've got, but I love glitters and I'm glitter obsessed. I don't think you can ever have too much glitter. So thank you so much, and I love the packaging. I did have a pink one at one point, but I know I decluttered it, but I always loved the look of the gold one, and I swatched it and it looked amazing. I just, for some reason, never picked it up. So thank you so much. Oh my god, you're killing it, as always. What's this? Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, I'm obsessed. I see Revolution and I get like just a hot flush really. This is a pure platinum Awesome Metals eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at that. Malika, how do you know me so well? Oh, we've been friends for like 2 years, met up, you know, makeup obsessed and all that. I don't think it's a secret, but oh, look at that. I cannot wait to try that. Literally, this is just making me so excited to crack all of this open, and I just love metallic and glitter, and oh, you've answered my prayers. I see glitter. I see 2 glitters. Oh my god. Tanya Burr, I didn't even know she did glitter. Oh no, I'm opening it. No, don't open it. Oh my god. Eye shimmer pot in Champagne Sparkle and eye shimmer pot in Snow Day. Oh my god. I didn't even know she did eye shimmer pots. I think that just like tells you everything, doesn't it? I don't really know much. Oh, she knows me too well. Oh, Malika, look at that. But look at this one. It's like a really nice iridescent white and another gold. You can never have too many golds. Oh, thank you. One. Just so excited. It's another eyeshadow, people. Oh, look at this. Can I open it? No, I can't. This is the MUA single eyeshadow in copper. And it's just, oh, that would be perfect for like a nice soft glam look for work. Oh, I love the packaging as well. It's going to be perfect for going on holiday with it. Oh, you are just, oh. You never fail to amaze me, girl. You never fail to amaze me. Oh, I see PS. I see PS and it's soft, so I'm assuming it's something skincare related. Oh, oh. Oh my god, I have never seen this. Foaming bubble mask. What? Oxygen. Oh my god. Blueberry and papaya equals cleansing. How cool is that? I didn't even know Primark did these. Oh my god, did you get this from London? If so, I need to buy some of these when we go. If not, if they're from your local Primark, I'm going to give you some money so you can get me some more, because I didn't even know they did bubble face masks. That's going to be tested in a vlog. Thank you so much. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my goodness, I didn't ask for this. It wasn't on my wish list, but I don't think it was anyway. Oh my good gracious. The Gypsy Shrine. Look at that. Superdrug do deals with these, and oh, I love face jewels. I don't think I can rock them, but it's worth a try. But these are like a bit more subtle and not so in your face. So I am really excited to try these. And obviously I've seen so many YouTubers review the Gypsy Shrine face jewels, and they say they're amazing. So thank you. Oh, could you imagine with these on these? Can you imagine these on now? Oh my god, I don't know. Element of surprise. Is this what I think it is? Oh my god, I am obsessed. I can see it and I want it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes! Oh my! I love you! Oh, it's a Harry Potter chocolate frog key ring. Is from Primark, and oh my god, I saw you buy key rings. Not obviously this particular one, but I know you went into a Primark buying key rings with Charlie. This one is the last one. So exciting. Oh, there's 2 things in here. Is there? Yes, there is. Oh, you spoil me. I'm so excited because although I love receiving gifts and like this swap has been amazing, I'm just so excited to see her reactions to what I'm getting her. So I sort of like, obviously I've got her list, and then I know there's things that she will love, but she hasn't included. Oh my gosh, right, what is this? I can't get in this, Malika. My battery is dying, and you've like prepared this for the journey. 2 things here. I'll open this one first. Oh, you need to give me wrapping lessons because I am shocking. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh you. I'm speechless. This is the I Heart Revolution Mini Rose Gold Eyeshadow Palette, and I've had my eyes on this and a couple of the others for the longest time, and I think these are really a lot more travel friendly than the full size ones. Oh no, that's not how you open it. Oh. So yeah, and the packaging is so nice. Oh, look at that. And that to do eye makeup in. Oh, look at those shadows. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but what is this life? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 2 shimmers. Let's just do it a swatch. That doesn't look. Oh my god. Okay, the swatch isn't the best. Like, I haven't done it properly, but that is insane. Swatch one of the darker shades. Oh, that's a soft shade. It might not look too pigmented for camera, but that's how I like those sort of tones. Oh my god, Malika, thank you so much. I'm obsessed with this and I cannot wait to try it, and especially the size is going to be perfect for holiday, so thank you. For inside that palette, so what is this? Right, this is going to make it look like I'm an eyeshadow hoarder. Okay, I'm not going to get emotional over an eyeshadow palette because that's just pathetic. Oh my god. Malika, what have I done to deserve a friend like you? Oh my Jesus. So this is the Revolution Pro Trends Mischief Maker Palette. They have got a selection of different palettes of this style, and I asked for this one and another one. Like, there were 2 options, and this just spoke to me because it's got more bright colours, it's a bit more different, and I love the names. Shameless, Riches, Artistic License, Disobedient, Outsider. Like, look at these shades here, and the blue. Oh my god. Thank you. Thanks a million. Thanks without end, Malika, because oh, should I do like a testing video just on this? Let me know in the comments and I'll do a poll on my Instagram, because I can see that being a very, very good testing / first impression. That is everything for this unboxing. I am so happy and so grateful for everything that Malika has sent me. Honestly, I am overwhelmed. It is just incredible. You have smashed it as per usual. And also I forgot to add this in the beginning. I was not trying to brag or boast in any way, shape or form. Malika has been very generous. I am obsessed with every single thing in this swap, and there'll at least be a dozen videos featuring these products in either summer looks or first impressions or testings videos, that sort of thing. But thank you so much, Malika. I hope you like the stuff that I've sent you as well, or when I have given it to you, because, you know, that's what it's all about. And I just think swaps are so exciting because it's the complete element of surprise. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, because that would mean the world to me. Turn the notification bell on, because I know YouTube's been having that big issue with a lot of YouTubers' videos aren't turning up in their subscription boxes. So if you want to be sure to see my videos as soon as I upload them, then definitely click that alarm bell. But I'll see you in my next vlog or video, whichever one you watch first. Bye.